Did I just find mango? Hey, stop, where you going? Come back. Where you going? I just want to have a chat. So, yeah, it's your holiday. Was it a good holiday? Did you enjoy your holiday? You'll be left alone? You sure you won't be left alone? Sure you don't want to be cute? What are you backing up for? We're just having a chat. That's all we're having. It's just a chat. Okay, you're a bit shy. Oh, no. You gotta be cute. Come on, be cute. Yeah, be cute. Come on. Be cute. Are you embarrassed? Are you too embarrassed to be cute? Okay, we'll try a different day. No? Or tell me more about this. Then what happened? No, that's it. Okay. No worries. Thanks for the chat. Bye.